Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Health and Fitness Tips, and I'm your coach Dipali. So today we will do a quick arms workout that will reduce the arm fat and basically here and there. We will focus. So let's get started, and it is a 3 days challenge. Follow with me for 3 days to reduce your arm fat with me. Okay, first of all, let's get started with a little warm up. Rotating of arms outward. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inward. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crossover. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Push outs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is not basically a warm up, it is also a part of exercise. All these exercises can be done without equipment as well. Although I am using dumbbell, but you can do without equipment. So first exercise is fast up and down. This is total burnout. Okay. Let's do it for 15 seconds first. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good job. Let's do 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. So this will focus on the first part of the arms. Now for the second part, bending a bit, holding arm like this and expanding. Tricep extension. Let's do 15 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Followed by outward circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Doing 10 on other side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Taking the single dumbbell, pushing it downward, bending a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Dropping the dumbbell, relaxing a bit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for next move, we will use single dumbbell. Left feet forward, arm to the side and expand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Changing of side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Next exercise, again single dumbbell is required, circling it out. Right and left. 1, 2. Good job. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Done with the workout part. Let's stretch a bit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stretching it forward for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Elbow crunch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. Good job. So this was all in this video. Follow this video with me to reduce your arm fat with me at home.